Hi there, friends of the USBGF. This is Phil Simborg with another video tip for you. You know, sometimes backgammon can be a very complicated game, but a lot of times it's not that difficult. It's not brain surgery, and we can actually use common sense and some pretty good rules of thumb that will often get us to the right play. And these rules of thumb, even if they don't get you to the right play, will at least steer you in the right direction. Take a look at this position. Red has a double 2 to play. Give it some thought. What would you play? Well, the answer is you simply run from the 18 to the 14. Red is up in the race. You're up 8 pips before the roll. You just rolled 8 pips. You're up 16 pips. Just run. There's no reason to block your opponent. There's no reason to try and hold them back. There's no reason to leave these checkers back that are going to be difficult to get out of there later if you don't run now. The rule of thumb is very simple. If you're up in the race, race. Why would you do anything but race? That's your best game plan, your best chance of winning. What if you weren't up in the race? Now what would you do? Well, is it brain surgery? No. If you're not up in the race, don't run. Don't race. Your goal is to stay back, get a shot, try and hit him. Win a hitting game. Why should you play a race that's about even or even worse? And by the way, if you look at blue, blue is what we call strip. 2 checkers here, 2 checkers here, 2 here, 2 here. It's very likely to leave a shot very soon. Your best bet's to make the 4-point or possibly to block the 9-point to keep him from running. Either one of those plays are reasonable. And again, if you're not sure which play is right, that's okay. At least you're employing the right strategy or a better strategy than running. Running, again, would be very, very wrong. When you're up in the race, race. If you're not up in the race, don't race as much as you can. As you can see, making the 4 points better because you're really playing for a hitting game instead of a priming game because you expect to get a shot pretty soon. But even still, a priming game by blocking the 9-point, making it harder for blue to get out, is a pretty good game. And here running would be a pretty big blunder, a 12% blunder. That's your tip of the day. Find some good rules of thumb and think them over the board, and the simple part of the game will be simple, and you can save your brain power for those complicated parts. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.